All right, so let me show you a very big project that we just picked up not too long ago. So we got this 2022 Mustang 5.0 that we just picked up. It's damaged from the side. You can see it was hit on the quarter panel, damaged the whole suspension, the cradle, the back end, and it also deployed all the airbags inside. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it to my buddy's shop. I do not have a frame machine. They do. What they're gonna do is they're gonna straighten out all of the panels. We're gonna put new quarter panel, new cradle. We're gonna keep the deck lid, and we're gonna give this a fresh new paint job. So let's go ahead and drop it off. All right, so we got my boy on the forklift. We're gonna pull it off the trailer, and then we're gonna park it right there. All right, so the only reason why we're fixing this car is because what's under the hood. If we open up the hood, it has a whole bunch of performance parts. All right, so we have it here at my buddy's shop. What he's gonna do is go ahead and put it on the frame rack, measure everything out, and then he's gonna call me and let me know what we need for this Mustang.